Hi guys, my name is Michael. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your graphics card software. First, we come over to our search. There's this icon that looks like a magnifying glass. We click on it, and we type in device. We're looking for our device manager. Okay, now we click on it. So we have seen our device manager. Now we click on it. Okay, then we come over to display adapter. Click on this arrow behind it. So now we can see the version of graphics card we're using. We're using Intel RHD graphics. So we can also update it from here by clicking on it twice. Then come over to drive. Then you can see update. So if you click on it, it will say search automatically for a drive. You can do it automatically, but if you have downloaded it already, your graphics card software, you can easily just browse my computer for drivers. You can check in your system where you downloaded it and install it from there. So I'm going to click here to search for automatic. Click on it, automatic search. Okay, so right now it says the best drive for your device are already installed. So currently I have my drive is okay. But if you still want to find out more and you want to check if there's a higher version for your system, I'm going to put a link where you can go to and download it. You can check the website so they can check if there's another version you can download. That's the Intel website. So let's go there now. Okay, here we are on the website. This is the Intel website. You can come here to check if there's an update to your graphic card software. So there are two ways you can look for it. You can check for the products they have. You can view products. So you can come here and click on any of these if it matches the one you have on your system, or you can come right here in the search bar, put in the name of the device, or you can come up here and type in the version of the graphics card software that is on your system. That's one way to go about it. So right here you can see we have the operating system filter by operating system. So depending on the version of Windows you have, so we have Windows XP, Windows 7, 64-bit, we have Windows 7, 32-bit. So I'm using Windows 10. So you can also filter by that. So these are the ways how you can check if there's an update out, either product side, then filter to the version of OS that's installed on your system. Okay, right now if I want to download an update for my system, first I'm going to type in the current one I'm using, so the Intel RHD graphics. So that's what I'm going to type into the search box right here. So let me see what comes out. Click. Okay, so right now I can see I have latest version which was released 05/14/2021. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to download. So let me click on it. Click on download right here. I can see it's for Windows 10. It says 64-bit Windows, and we can also see when it was last updated. It was updated in May 14, 2021. So it's recent. So it has started downloading, so I have to wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, so I've already downloaded it before. So this is right here, so I'm just gonna click on it. Okay, so it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. So we wait for it to start loading. But most times, if you want to update your graphics card software, you might also have to update your Windows to the newest version that is out now. Okay, so right now it says that this computer does not meet the minimum requirement for installing the software. So which means I have not met some requirements. I'm suspecting I need to update my Windows to the newest version out now before I can update the graphics card software. So that's how you can install your graphics card software. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and the link to the Intel website will be in my description, so you can check and download the newest version of graphics card software for your system if you want that. Okay, bye. Have a great day.